Hello and welcome to this review of the new Phytech plant application. The new plant application provides a better user experience, new capabilities, and most importantly, full unification with the planning application, allowing all irrigation planning inside the plant app. It also allows for full customizability to user needs. Let's start by looking at the general layout. Note the toggle on the top bar between the agronomic view and the hydraulic view. This affects the list view, the map view, and the plot page. In each of them, it changes the focus and perspective for the user. Also, notice the newly located toggle at the bottom to switch between the map and the list views. Let's start with the list view. In the list view, when in hydraulic mode, you are now in the planner application. The list is arranged by valves. You can switch between the planning view, which shows all the valves, and the components view, which displays all hydraulic components. Notice the new location of the filter button that allows for different grouping, sorting, and filtering. Another new addition is that you can now switch between areas directly from the list without the need to go through the map, making this list the central mode for growers who prefer it. In the agronomic view, the list of all projects is now sorted and grouped by plots. Additionally, time navigation is now possible. Previously, you could only see the current week. Now you can click here and go back in time, allowing for more data access through the mobile application without opening the web app. In the hydraulic mode, you can add irrigation events and perform all planning directly from here. Let's switch to the map view. In the map view, when in agronomic mode, there are no significant changes. When I go to the hydraulic view, all the valve polygons and hydraulic components are added to the map. Previously, the layer button used to do that. Now that button is gone, but entering hydraulic mode performs this action instead. You can click on any hydraulic component to see the data parameters and close it. Now let's select a plot to see how it is displayed. I selected this plot from the map. In the agronomic mode, there's one important update. Time navigation is available here. You can click back and go back in time without going to the web to check for historic data on plot graph levels. In the hydraulic view, the top bar shows valves instead of projects. In the irrigation span row, I see planned versus actual irrigation. The irrigation pressure graph has been moved to the top. Also, you can add irrigation events directly from here. Finally, new options in the settings allow for full customizability. For example, if a user prefers the planner mode and wants to access it quickly, they can set the view mode to list and the type to hydraulic. Now, every time they'll open the Phytech application, they will have this list with planning capabilities without having to go through the agronomic maps. Those are the main changes. We hope you find this new addition convenient and look forward to your feedback.